Okay, you guys, I'm back. All right. So, like I said, these are those metal looking paper stickers that we can make into paper clips. Okay. So that's what those look like. Aren't those so cool, you guys? Okay, so we're going to make those, and I'm going to show you first. Just a second, I got some crap on the back of here. And also what you're going to need to do, because they are stickers, take a white t-shirt, or if you're wearing a white t-shirt, something kind of light, and go over it a little bit to remove the stickiness. Or do it to like a paper towel until the stickiness is removed. Okay? So, we're going to do it to these two butterflies. I just removed the stickiness from the back of them. Okay, so we're going to do two butterflies, and that's the sample I'm going to show you. And I just wanted to show you the stickers so you guys can, if you haven't seen these stickers, most people have seen them. So these are the stickers that you look for at Dollar Tree if you haven't seen them yet. They still have them. I'm pretty sure they still have them, but most of us who shop at Dollar Tree got these stickers. So you can use any of these. The stars. This one's cool because it has crowns, king and queen. It has the Eiffel Tower. It has these really cool designs here. These are stars, the butterflies, which is what we're going to do today, owls, and then the hearts. And then of course these all can be used for other really cool projects like your scrapbooking, your junk journals, your planner. I mean, there's just like a million things you can do with those. Okay, so I'm going to work on this piece of paper here. Okay, so what we're going to do is super simple. Let me get two silver paper clips. Do I have any over here? Yeah. Okay, so get yourself two silver paper clips. You know you can get those anywhere, Dollar Tree even. Okay, and simply we're going to take our small punch. This is that piece of cardstock, and I'm just going to go like this to the cardstock. Make sure you guys are seeing that. I'll do it from the side. I'm just taking this. I'm working on this piece of cardstock, but I'm also going to use it to punch out some circles. Oh, and I have the size on here on the circles. It is 5/8 inch. That's probably a good size for these paper clips. Okay, and then you just remove it like this, and just go like that, and then you can shut that back up. Okay, so I punched out, I think 4 of these, which is what I need. Did I get 4? Let me punch out one more, unless it's in here. No, I guess I need to punch out one more. Okay, so there's 4. Okay, so let me take these little circles off of here. So it's really super simple. You just take your hot glue. And, oh, and this is what I want to say. This is another thing. If you feel like this has a sticky back on it, I kind of feel like I would rather have one of these circles out of the cardboard on here first, and then glue the paper clip onto that. If you have a sticker and it has like a backing on it and it's a smooth backing, I would place one of these pieces. Don't take off the backing. This one just didn't have a backing on it, but it's like kind of real smooth and waxy backing. Glue the paper onto the wax backing, then glue this on top, and everything's going to adhere a lot better. Because it doesn't glue, like you can't glue a paper clip onto glass or something really smooth because it won't work. Okay. Sorry if I'm being too redundant, but, and to some of you guys are going to be like, okay, that's very obvious. But you know, there's always people who it's not obvious to. They're new at this, or they haven't seen it, or they haven't done it. So I try to just explain things as well as I can. So go ahead and put your little circle there. Then get over there. Take your hot glue. Take your paper clip. kind of get it kind of going. Then I hurry up and turn it around to make sure now I can really move it around and make sure it's in the center of this butterfly where I want it, which it is, and then just hold on to it for a second. There we go. It's going to dry here in just a second. Okay, so that's good. So now we want to, because look how messy that looks. We want to cover it with one more of these little circles. And then it won't be so messy. It'll be nice and clean. And then cover up our messy work just like that. Okay. So there you go. Simple, simple. And then that's what the paper clip looks like. Aren't those gorgeous? Can you imagine giving somebody a set of like 5 or 10 of these who loves planners or does junk journals? Junk journal would love these paper clips because they look kind of vintagey, you know? Okay, so let's do another one. In fact, let's do something else. Let's do a crown because a lot of people love crowns. So let's do a crown. All right, we're going to do that crown right there. I mean, I'm going to end up doing this whole sheet pretty soon. Okay, so I'm just going to take the stickiness. I'll use this sheet to do it. You can use clothing. You could use a piece of cardstock. Just keep doing this until you remove some of the stickiness. You know, I'm going to use my clothes. Just a second, guys. Your clothes are the best thing. Something light, it removes the sticky off it really quick. Okay, so here we go. Excuse me, I just got the hiccups. So we're going to do this crown. Okay. Turn it around.